Welcome back. The Macazana village of Curtorim houses a leprosy hospital with 4 patients. The employees of the hospital draw more than 3 lakhs of salary. More than 20 years have elapsed, but this hospital has seen no more cases of leprosy. There have been attempts to transfer the patients, but sources inform the patients are pressurized not to get shifted from the hospital. The patients live in a dilapidated structure, eat shoddy food, and live in exile. Watch this special report.
This leprosy hospital in Curtorim has been running for almost 20 years with only 4 patients and a whopping 11 employees to look after them. The government is spending almost 3 lakh rupees every month for the look after of this hospital here.
This is the leprosy hospital in Curtorim. Since its inception in 1982, the hospital handled lots of patients. However, in last 20 years, it has seen only 4 patients, 1 female and 3 males. Here is what one of the patients has to say.
50 वर्ष आली बाहर से ला आली करना
2-3 वर्ष तीत रावला बाहर परत चोरी आला पाहिजे आता ये डोळे जरी सारखं पडना आणि
Now have a look at the condition of these toilets. This is the recreation room and this is male division of the hospital. Sources inform the steward who was in charge of the diet to the patients retired 4 years ago, and since then upper division clerk and peon serve the diet to patients.
Recently the patients were supposed to be shifted to a different hospital from here. However, it is known from sources that the patients were pressurized not to opt out from this hospital here. For Prudent.
The High Court has reserved order on Tarun Tejpal's bail plea for Friday. During the arguments, prosecution has opposed Tejpal's bail plea. Prosecution has stated that it cannot be expected that Tarun Tejpal will be disciplined if he is released on bail. Prosecution has also contended that Tejpal may try to influence the prosecution witnesses, as most of them are from Tehelka or ex-employees of Tehelka.
Hearing on Tehelka's former editor-in-chief Tarun Tejpal's bail plea resumed on Wednesday before the High Court. During the hearing, prosecution stated that while lodged in jail, Tarun Tejpal used mobile phone. This conduct shows that he may influence the witnesses or may try to temper evidences if he comes out on bail. Prosecution stated that it would be better if trial is expedited and completed within 2 months rather than granting him bail. Prosecution also contended that defense side may try to delay the trial. Counsel of Tarun Tejpal contended that charges labelled against him are totally baseless. Defense argued that CCTV footage obtained from the hotel where the alleged crime was committed does not corroborate the victim's allegations. Defense side also stated that Tejpal is behind bars for more than 100 days and his mother's health is very serious. After completion of arguments of both the sides, the High Court reserved its order for Friday.
Arguments have concluded. It's reserved for orders for day after.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Mines Department raided quarry at Curtorim Pirla in Sange on Wednesday. Sources say that around 20 mines are operating in 1 lakh square meter area. The officers have seized 5 power tillers and 1 modified tractor from the site. Officers claim a loss of 5 crores to the state exchequer.
Mines officer Sudhir Mandrekar, Sankalp Shet Desai and Suraj Kalangudkar raided a mining site at Curtorim Pirla in Sange constituency. They seized 5 power tillers and a modified tractor. A truck has also been attached. Officers claim a loss of 5 crore rupees to the state exchequer. Sources also say that around 20 mines were operating in around 1 lakh square meter area. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.